Hello, welcome to Zest Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see how to read a particular YouTube video tags by using the YouTube video ID. So we are going to use the Jupyter and Python together to write a simple API or method to extract the video tags. So in case if you don't have the Jupyter notebook and Python setup, I will recommend you to visit my previous videos, then come back to here so that you will have a proper setup. Okay, let's get started the actual video tags reading part. So basically, in case if you don't want to use this Python and Jupyter setup, so you have a manual approach how to read the YouTube videos. Say for instance, you have this is one of the a simple video you want to hello welcome read the YouTube video tags. So this is part of Just Prime. So in case if you want to read manually, then what you have to do, you can come here and then you need to open the view source page source and then take it and just keep somewhere into any of the notepad and then come here video colon tag. You can type it here, so you will find the corresponding video tags. So here you can find the tags. So there are many tags. If you see here, this is one tag, so it's called as a Jupyter tutorial, and another tag also present. So you need to scroll one by one. See here, there is another video tag, Jupyter notebook tutorial. So like that, there is many tags is there, but you have to navigate one by one. It's a manual approach. It will take a lot of time. So to avoid this manual approach, we can write a simple Python program and which we can run in your Jupyter notebook. So that will extract all your video tags and it will give to you. So for that purpose, we need a video tag, which for which video you want the tags. So for that particular video ID, we need to get it. So example, this is the your video ID. So whatever video you are watching, you can see in the URL be equal to. So this is your video ID. You have to take this one with the help of this one, and you can run the program and you can able to extract the video tags very easily to avoid this manual approach. Okay, let's get started. So first let me start the Jupyter notebook. So as part of the previous video, we have already done this setup. So I'm going to start the Jupyter notebook. So this is the way you can start your Jupyter notebook and Jupyter server. So then it will open the server and you can see over here. So your server is up and running. So here I'm going to create a new notebook. Select the Python, and if you want to save this file as so you can give as some name YouTube video tag read and rename it. So this is the file name. So as part of this a simple Python function, we have to write a definition. So that I have it, I'll just for time saving process, I have already written and I just keep it over here. So to execute this particular function, we should have a two Python libraries. One is a request, which is required to call any service by passing the request URL. So I'm trying to install the request library into my machine. So in my machine it's already installed, so it will be quicker. And similarly, you can see this is already installed in my machine as per the previous video recording. So I have already installed. So in your case, if it is not there, you have to install it first, a request library which is required to call a particular service. In our case, we are going to call the YouTube URL. So and the next one is a beautiful soap 4, so which is required to parse the response which is given by request. So in my case it's already present. So in your case, if it is not there, you have to install it. So these are the two libraries we are going to use it, request and beautiful soap. So the next one is we had to import these two libraries into your Jupyter environment. So one is request and another one is beautiful soap. So basically from beautiful soap we have to just we are renaming BS4. So this is the naming conversion. We are just converting it from the beautiful soap and request we are treating as directly. So now your environment is ready. So you have to write a simple definition. So I have written a simple function called get YouTube video tags, and which will take the video tag ID, and that will return tags. So basically if you see here, right, so all the YouTube videos, the standard URL, you can see youtube.com watch and followed by video tag ID. If you see the previously video what I have opened, if you see here youtube.com watch question mark v, and this is the video actual video ID. So you need to take that video ID and you need to keep it over here. Okay, first let me copy this definition, and you can find this function in video description. Okay, so this is the simple definition which will take the URL link and it will try to get the URL response by calling the request library by passing the URL, and once the request status code is success, then we are going to pass the response which we are looking for the HTML.parser, and from that we are going to use the og.video.tag as we seen in the previous. From that we are trying to get the exactly content. So it's in there could be more than one tag, so we had to iteratively get it everything and we had to return it back. So that's what we are seeing here, a for loop. And then if there is any issue while reading the parsing the response, then we are going to print this response message. Okay, now let me go back to our video and get the video ID, and then come back here, change your video ID over here. This is the sample video ID, so I'm going to change it and let me run it, and you can see all the video tags it get back in one shot. Say for instance, now let me go back, and if you want to get any other one example, say for instance, this is one of the video you are interested, and you just take the video tag and then come back here and then replace this video tag over here and then run. So you can see here there are some tags are available, right? So this is the way you can able to get the video tags for any given YouTube video quickly without wasting time, and by using simple definition of the Python, right? And I think that's all about this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you.